Have you heard of the dodo? Quite possible that you have not, and for sure none of you have seen it around. In fact, it was last seen in the 17th century. But it could be making a comeback. How exactly will this happen? What is the story of the dodo? Our next report telling you.
Is it possible to travel back in time? Not yet. Is it possible to bring species back from the dead? Well, that was not possible so far, but we could see it happening soon. Sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie? It could soon be reality. What are we talking about? Meet the dodo. If all goes as per plan, this bird could be making a comeback, and this is a big deal. Because it has been gone for way too long, since the 17th century to be precise, and now a billion-dollar startup wants to bring back the dodo. The gene editing company has a plan to revive the extinct bird. It is adding the bird to a de-extinction agenda. This agenda already includes the woolly mammoth. The dodo is a Mauritian bird. Humans last reported the sighting of the flightless bird in 1662. For over 350 years since then, the bird has remained extinct. The last sighting was reported on the island of Mauritius, east of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean. The dodo was endemic to the region. Researchers believe Mauritius was the dodo bird's only home. Evolutionary traits suggest that because the conditions there were so comfortable, the bird became flightless and was unable to leave. Gene editing techniques now exist that can help the scientists look for key traits in the dodo genome. They believe they can reassemble these in the body of a living relative, like pigeons. As per the sequencing of the bird's genome, the dodo's closest relatives are pigeons. They plan to study the DNA difference between the dodo and its close relative, the Nicobar pigeon, to figure out which genes make the dodo a dodo. Scientists have said their work could help find out more about the bird's existence. They could also help with the conservation of rare species that are not yet extinct. As according to the IUCN, more than 42,100 species are threatened with extinction. But there are ethical questions as well over whether this sort of research should be pursued, and what this could mean in the long run. Bureau Report, World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.